Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games and I'm with
Maddie.
And we're having a little game of two-player Mario Tennis Open, and Maddie's never played this before, so she literally doesn't know the controller. She's asking what the controls are, but I'm clearly not going to tell her. So basically the buttons and the control pad for moving. You'll get used to it. So
I'll go with Daisy.
Go with Daisy. I'll go for Bowser Jr.
Yeah.
We'll go for a nice easy court to start.
So what? How do I? Oh, I don't know how to play.
Well, just hit the ball back. You know how to play tennis. Just having a little game. Thought we'd just do something a bit different. So.
Oh, it says it here.
Okay.
I don't even.
Okay, Maddie's just working out the controls. Just have a little. Okay. We're ready?
Yeah.
Now you need to go to the other side. I'm heading to that side. Ready? Here we go. I won't stand that close.
Why is she doing that? Wait.
Oh, 15.
No, I wasn't ready. I thought I was 7.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
No. Clearly I'm going to serve to that side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You got the hang of it now.
No.
I'll say that's a bit cruel. That's a bit cruel.
I don't get it.
Maddie's first go. I'll do some nice ones. Oh, sorry. No, that's accidental. I honestly didn't mean to do that. Nice one. Oh, what are you doing in the front of the court? You got to serve now. Come on. Got to serve.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, got the hang of it now. Oh.
No. That's not fair, you were over there.
You're getting the hang of it already, though. Getting the hang of it.
Yeah, but what's the difference between A and B?
One slice and lob. You can have a look at the different controls. Ah, where were you?
What? You shot the other side, how was supposed to get the hand time?
Oh, I hit a nice one back. Nice, gentle. There you go. Nice, gentle.
Yes!
Ah, no way.
Yes way.
Oh,
God.
match point. Come on. Got 1 point.
Oh, you're angry. Oh.
Oh, it's a good rally to finish. Oh yeah. Get that one.
That's not fair!
Oh yeah. We'll have one more game. One more game. This is your first go. That's not bad actually. It's not bad for first go.
Oh.
Pick a different character.
What's going on? It says I said bye.
Oh. Did you exit out by mistake?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Trust me to do that.
Okay, so we're just going to have one more game. Exhibition. And it's Maddie's second game now. So no excuses now. You've had one go.
What? I still don't get the
I'm only
what
joking.
to do with B and A.
Good practice. I'm going to be... What are you going to be this time?
I'm going to be Daisy again.
Going to be Daisy again. I'm going to be left-handed Yoshi. That's a bit hard, that call. We're going clay. That's slow. I just have one set. Here we go. Ready? No, you don't want to go there, do you? I serve to this side. Here. There.
What?
You always serve opposite court.
I don't get what button I'm gonna... I'm pressing Y. I'm pressing Y.
Ready? Go. That's it. Oh yeah. Ah!
What are you doing?
I missed it.
What?
Fail. Yoshi
Oh.
fail. What did you
Oh.
do? That was a Yoshi fail. I'm doing nasty.
Can I run? Oh no.
Well, sort of.
Oh, I get it. I need to go forward. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no, you've pressed the wrong button. Oh no, you've played it. Okay, back to normal. Ready? Go. You can do it by moving the actual control pad. By moving the 3DS. I think that's what you've done there.
This is difficult.
That's not good.
How was I meant to get that?
Oh. Oh yeah. Ah!
Oh, thank God for
A
that.
point.
I want to win.
3 more hours and you'll be able to win. Oh yeah.
That's not fair. What button are you pressing? I'm just pressing A.
But when you go into the circles, you get power-up moves. When you get into the circles, which it shows on the court, like there on your one. That's it. I didn't tell you that because otherwise you might win. Oh what? I forgot all about that, honestly. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ah! Jeez. No.
Yes, you told me.
Okay.
I'm not too worried about getting in the circle.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Sneaky drop shot. Match point to Yoshi.
We doing?
Ah.
What are you doing? That's cheating.
So that's the end of our quick
You
video.
can't do that in real life. So why do you?
It's a special shot, only I can do it. So that's the end of our little video, and we might bring you some more Mario Tennis once I've given Maddie a few more hints and tips and Maddie's had a chance to play it some more. This has been Tim and Latest 3DS Games.